Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get purple name on Blockman Go gaming app. If you want to get that purple name tag, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the face icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of VIP 0. Simply tap on it. Finally, to get the purple name, you can recharge. Tap onto the recharge button right here and you will see something like this. Now to get the purple name, you need to buy the gold blocks first. Now tap onto the one gold block that you want to buy and you can buy it easily. And only after that, you can recharge your VIP section and get the purple name. And that's it. This is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.